Okay, so today we are looking at the most anticipated market at the moment, which is gold. I know a lot of you lot have been messaging me and asking me about what my next move are on gold. But before I explain to you my next move, let's do a flashback from last week and the week before on my analysis on gold and how accurate we was with gold so far. So I said last week we're on a sell only trade. We had a really nice sell last week, really good Discord server, had a really good selling opportunities on there. Again, if you want to follow my trades, go check out my Discord server. But we had a sell only trade and we had a really nice push to the downside on an NFP day, which is crazy for me because I love it when price moves the way I want it to do, especially on an NFP day, okay? Because NFP day is payday for a lot of traders and we make a crazy amount of money on this day. And I'm just so happy that price actually hit our targets and we actually had really nice trades. Now, I know I was very biased on sells, but at the moment, I'm still biased on sells until price has told me otherwise. And I'm going to explain to you why. Even though we've had huge push to the upside, even though we've had really strong bullish candlesticks and really weak bearish candlesticks, but I'm going to tell you why, and that's because price couldn't break this structure here. At the 1980 level, price decided not to break any type of structure. Now, again, we said last week that price is going to hit 1940. We had that on the whole week, okay? The whole, from Monday to Friday, we had crazy entries on 1940. Again, one of my targets was 1957.50, which again, that's exactly where price is right now. Okay, this is where price is right now. This is, again, if you haven't seen my last video, go check it out. These numbers have not changed. These numbers are still true to now. Okay, and this is why I say key levels are so powerful, because key levels can really last you for a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, or even 3-4 months, depending on the trade, how you are as a trader. But again, it just depends on what kind of key levels you look at. For example, I'm an intraday/day trader, so my key levels can last a week or two. Sometimes it can only last a week depending on the trend. If we're consolidating like this, we had a little bit of a consolidation, price tried to break out, then we're right back into, coming back and forth, which I actually kind of like the market when it's like this, because it makes it so easier to buy over here, sell over here, buy over here, sell over here, and keep doing repetitive. One break a structure, wait for it to retest, sell it to here, right back to its target zone. Then we've targeted the zone so much and prices just kept hitting. I feel like this could potentially become another order zone for us, right? So we've had a really nice market. And I love the way gold moves. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to explain to you why I'm still sticking to, a bearish. I'm still sticking to my sells only trades. And this is only because, right, price hasn't broken structure yet from in this area, the 1980. And I feel like that's so important as a trader. You can, predict reversals, but until price has, let me explain to you exactly, until price has, not climbed its way back up and break structure, I don't feel like price is going to sell. Even though we have loads of crazy candlesticks, I don't believe price is going to be bullish until price breaks out of this resistance that we've got, right? So until price breaks that, I don't believe price is going to go to the downside, towards the upside. Again, there is a slight possibility price can go to the upside, but it doesn't show me any indications at the moment. Now with me, I'm a trader that is with the market. I don't predict the market. I just go with the flow. You could say I predict the market, but not on a greater scale where I'm predicting, change of structure, change of patterns or change of trend. Okay, I don't trade trends, change of trends, only because it's very risky. For example, if I'm selling over here and I then buy it over here at the end of this candlestick, predicting it to go up, yes, I'll be in profit right now, but the loss I would have had to control is not predictable. Yes, I could have put my stop loss just here, right below this target zone, but price can wake me out. There's a very, very high possibility price can wake me out. And that's why I'm still bearish at the moment until price tells me otherwise. Now, number two, I feel like it's time to use the Fibonacci extension, okay? Why? Because I feel like this is just a retracement to continue to the downside, okay? Again, it's very, very difficult because price didn't actually break structure over here again. So what I'm going to do is I am going to draw a small support area right over here, as this could be a potential order zones or potential target zones, okay? But at the moment, my target zone still takes place over here. I feel like the 1940 is still a very, very strong key level, and I feel like price will come back to retest it. At the moment, okay, I'm still using the same support and resistance, using the same targets, but the order zone, what I'm looking at the moment is we have a confusion in the market, right? And by the way, guys, I'm looking at this live with you lot at the moment. This is not a pre-planned video. This is just on the spot. I'm looking at the market like how I'll usually do, and I'm just recording. And I can see that we do see some sort of trend line over here going on, like a short-term uptrend, okay? We can see over here. But again, I'm not too confident that, price is going to continue push into the upside until I see more confirmations. So that means price breaking up here. That's when I'll be, okay, price is, continue to the upside. But at the moment, as long as price, okay, with the Fibonacci levels, as long as price is respecting my Fibonacci levels, right, is respecting, these key levels, right? Again, if you have a look, every area that I'm gonna show, if I just quickly put if I highlight around every area, okay, you're gonna see that price. So these are the three areas that Fibonacci produces, right? You could do four, but we've already put that there, 38.2 extension. Can you see how price rejects over here? Price rejects over here, and we see rejection here. So the key levels are respected when going up. So let's hope that the key levels are respected when going down, okay? So again, I know the market looks very messy, but in other words, what I'm looking for is price to hit one of my Fibonacci levels. So let's say it hits my 61.8 extension, only because if price does break above here on the 50-minute chart, it will look like a break of structure. So again, I'm looking at price... just bear with me, we'll put a little area over here. This is now an order zone, okay? So whatever price does over here, again, just based on the market right now, I'm looking at price to go up here, right, travel its way to here, and then make its way down back to its target zone, okay? Oops, let me do that again for you guys. So again, from here, okay, like that, okay? And that's what I'm predicting at the moment. Again, I'm being very safe. I'm not saying it's going to break any levels. I'm just want to see price get back to its target zone again, right? So it can then test and see if price is still bullish, okay? Again, if price presses through my extension levels, I will be changing my trend and I will then become more bullish. But by then, we'll see better opportunities, better buying or selling opportunities as well. So at the moment, this is what I'm looking for sales. Stop loss will definitely be above here. I know it's 100 pips, but if you look at our target, we are targeting around 300 pips, right? Almost 300 pips. Now again, I'm a day trader. This is something that not swing trader. This is something that a day trader can trade. Intraday traders can trade this as well. I know it's high in pips. You can just break it down, have take profit 1, take profit 2. For example, this area could be take profit 1 and this area could be take profit 2. Okay, or you can place a sell here, sell up to here, and make another sell order and sell up to here and grow your account like that. But again, this is the move I'm going for at the moment. And until price shows me that it's, changing structure and we have a break of structure, that's when I'll be biased, and that's when I'll make another video to show you that we've, changed structure and we're now bullish, okay? I know it does look very much like an uptrend at the moment, but again, on the 4-hour chart, we saw that we're still on a selling point of view, okay? If you like the way I analyze the market, if you like the way I just, read the markets, make sure you drop a subscribe, drop a like, and follow me on Discord as well. I I'm most active on Discord and Instagram. All my social medias will be down below. Discord is completely free at the moment until I hit a certain number. So after a certain, until we get a certain group, I will see if there'll be access for everyone, because I don't want too many people so far, because it is getting hard to manage. But once I'm able to, I see that I can manage only a certain amount of groups, I will be stopping the link. And then again, we can have another opening for that Discord server later. But at the moment, the Discord server is available. So make sure you go check that Discord server and get in there as soon as possible, because it will be closing soon. So whoever's in there will still get access to it. Whoever's not will have to wait for another access. Other than that, I hope you all enjoy this gold video. Make sure you subscribe, like this video, and I'll see you in the next breakdown.